But yeah, maybe we will be not surviving because of the shock of how many people are purchasing the payment hubs, even in this second when we are talking and when we are having the presentation. So when we were talking about the new products in the back office, the hottest stone, the hottest topic of today is the FlipMe banking and crypto for everyone. Why we are even talking about this is because the FlipMe is the third partner of the MaVie Global. It brings the diversity for all of you as a customers, another stream of income, but also for you as a marketer, as a part of MaVie family, because you have another product for another type of people that is very, very, very interesting and very competitive on the market. So let's talk about the FlipMe banking and crypto in one single place. It is solving a big problem that is the reason that many people are still not inside the cryptocurrencies. As we know, only 4% of the population is today owning the cryptocurrencies. Many of them don't understand to the crypto. Many of them that doesn't know it, right? And they are struggling to get their first cryptocurrency. They even decide, okay, I want my first Bitcoin, I want my first USDTs, or I want to have my first Altron. And then they come to the realization that the process of the purchase is for them too complicated if they are new inside this industry. So 70% of the people don't understand to this. Even if they will find someone who will guide them through the process, or they will study it on the YouTube or from other sources, they might experience an issue with their bank account because not many banks are crypto friendly. And while they are trying to make their first purchase, the bank will simply stop their transaction and they will still end up without the crypto on their wallet. Another type of people are thinking that crypto is not secure because there is not that much expertise and not that much experience on the market. Many people in the past fall for the scams. The crypto is unregulated, and that's why they struggle to find an application site or service which will they consider as a secure. 21% of the people are still unbanked. The solution is very simple. It's a FlipMe application with FlipMe card. Why it's so simple? Because it's an application for your mobile phone. Everybody knows how to download the mobile application on App Store or Google Play. Everybody knows that this application have some kind of user interface that people are already familiar with. And the FlipMe is coming with the revolution of banking and crypto connected in one single application. And believe me or not, FlipMe will solve all of this problem. Because as in the FlipMe, you have the normal bank account, same as the bank account in your bank that you are using right now, where you can get your salary from the employment, or you can pay all of your bills, or you can just spend your money in the way like you are spending it right now. So it means that you can very comfortable make a transaction to your bank. Then you will solve the problem that you will not have an issue to switch it to the cryptocurrency because you can do everything inside this beautiful application. People will have access to trade, to earn crypto, to stake, to send instant transaction through the bank or through the blockchain. So we are talking about big opportunity right now because the world is changing and it is changing so fast. When we are talking about the blockchain, it is changing maybe even faster because as today, after 13 years, there is a 420 million crypto users right now. The expert says that until year 2028, there will be more than 5 billion people who will use the cryptocurrencies. So we are talking about the increase of 15 times. And of course, all of these people, as they will be onboarding to the crypto slowly, they will be looking for the solution, how they can utilize their cryptocurrency. And that's why FlipMe is here in the right moment, in the right timing. And it is part of the biggest financial transition for me of the past 30 years. When we look 30 years back, we remember that we were using the coins and paper money. Not many people had a digital money. Not many people had a bank. Yeah. Not many people was using the Visa or MasterCard to purchase, maybe in some parts of the world, but again, the adaptation was very slow. Then the adaptation became fast, and today, most of the people are using the digital money, not the paper money anymore. Still the paper money exists, so still the banks are not going anywhere, they will exist, but people will get also the cryptocurrency implemented in their everyday life, in their everyday behavior. And that's why we are talking about the biggest financial transition of the past 30 years. And always, where there is a huge transition like this, it is coming with a lot of opportunities. And well, as I say, those who come first can always benefit the most. So let's take a look at the futures. As I said, it's an application that will be available on the Google Play or the App Store. It will come with a card that you can implement to your Google Pay or to your Apple Pay. It will be supported by Visa or MasterCard. And well, as I once again said, this is a regular bank account that you can use for everything, same like you're using your bank right now. But in addition, you will be able to own your cryptocurrency directly with your cryptocurrency wallets inside one application. So you will be able to make instant payments through the chain and also through the SWIFT or SEPA payments. You will be able to own the fiat currencies, same as crypto wallets, cryptocurrencies. You will be able to implement your physical card or virtual card to your mobile phone or just use them in the same way like you are using them right now. This application is just outstanding and bringing two things in one. That's why it will be loved by billions. So when we are looking at the card program will be communicated and revealed much more deeper in the future by the FlipMe team. But I can already tell you that we are talking about the really competitive card program with the 5 tiers, with 5 different programs and 5 different benefits. And I am sure that the way how it is set is that every single customer will find the right program for his own needs. When I was talking about the competitive cards, well, let's look about the overall competition on the market and what we have there right now. Most of you, if you are here, probably you already heard about the cryptocurrencies and maybe you own some of them. And you then know that there is a Binance, Crypto.com or Coinbase companies that are offering their plastic cards, which you can use same like your bank cards to utilize cryptocurrencies that you have on your wallets. It means you can pay in any store or you can withdraw the money, you can withdraw the cash from the ATMs. On the other side, we have here very successful companies like Revolut, N26 and Wise. These companies also offers the physical card. They are the banks without the physical presence, only the online, and they are still very competitive to the normal banks and bringing a lot of nice features to their customers. But when we look at the FlipMe, we are talking about the application that is connecting both worlds, the world of banking and also the world of cryptocurrencies. And every single owner will be having his free own decision every single second if he's going to be in the crypto or banking world, to which how he want to make his payment, etc. This is the future, ladies and gentlemen. People love this, same as you would not like to wear or have in one pocket the phone and the other pocket the camera. Today we have cameras built in the phone and everything is going this direction. So when we are talking about the competitiveness of the FlipMe, I strongly believe that it will have its place and it will find its you will find it in the pockets of the millions and hundreds of millions users worldwide. But let's take a look about the main thing, and this is the opportunity that is here for you before the FlipMe even is launched. We are talking about possibility to own a share in the pool of 20% of every single transaction, every single stream of income that the FlipMe will make. We are talking about 20% of all intellectual property rights of the entire FlipMe software. So there is a different streams of income in the bankings. You know that the banks are always rich. Why? Because they have the certain fees. So here you will be able to share the revenue out of the crypto and fiat exchanges. Also, vice versa. A lot of people already doing this, and more people. While this transition will be ongoing, will be looking for this kind of solution in very friendly, very user-friendly and very simple and secure environment. This is exactly what FlipMe offers. When we are talking then about the monthly subscription fees for the different programs, for online and POS transaction fees, every time millions of people all around the world will swipe the card to pay their coffee, to pay their grocery, or they will make online transaction to pay their bills, that is a fees. Again, you are earning. Then we are talking at last about the card purchases and all of the subscription models that will come with the cards, but many other things. You are about to own a share out of the entire software. So why today we are talking that we have the right timing? Because you are here at the very first day, 25th of September, when the FlipMe was just launched. There is still, I mean, not even 13 million right now, but there is still time to get and secure your Payment Hub NFT in the stage 1. So 50 million out of all Payment Hub NFTs, which are ownership right of the certain revenue share points, means the basic calculation units for your profit, you can have them with 100% bigger bonus. So instead of buying one revenue share point for $1, you can have 2 revenue share points for $1. It means you will earn 100% faster. When we are talking about the money, it's always money loves speed. The more faster you can earn, the more happy you will be, I believe. But that's not everything, because stage 1 is coming with 100% more revenue share points. But as you can see down here, from these 2 revenue share pools, revenue share pool 1 and revenue share pool 2, when you purchase the Payment Hub NFT in the stage 1, you can benefit out of the fees from the both pools. So when we look at here, at the stage 4, there is a 50% more revenue share points. But that's not everything. It's also only one revenue share pool, so only 10%. So still we can say these people earn double that everyone who will come right here when all of the presale will be over and reserved allocation will go out. But when we are talking about you and the opportunity to get the Payment Hub in the stage 1, we are talking about 4 times faster earnings than everyone else who will come from outside after the presale and after these all benefits. So when we look at the Payment Hub NFTs, as I said, Payment Hub NFT is your ownership right of the certain revenue share points which are used to calculate your daily profit out of the sharing all of the fees and all of the stream incomes that FlipMe software offers. When we look at the Payment Hub NFTs, we are looking at the range of NFTs from $100 up to $100,000. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, even in the stage 1, the $50,000 and $100,000 Payment Hub NFTs available. If you remember the FlipMe, these 2 limited pieces came in the stage 4. Today, you can leverage the fact that you can get them in the stage 1. You can get them with 100% more revenue share points, which makes them, I think, the best product in the entire industry right now, as 100K Payment Hub NFT allows you to earn up to 1 million USDTs before you need to renew. When we are talking about the renews, how does this work? Many people asking, okay, I will get my Payment Hub NFT. And I see that if I purchase the one for 5,000, for example, I can earn 6 times more. I will have a $30,000. And what happens then? Then you just need to renew your Payment Hub NFT and you continue earning exactly in the same time where you stopped. And again, you will keep all the benefits. So when we are talking about the value of the asset that you will get with this Payment Hub NFT, we are also talking about 4 times higher value that will be any other Payment Hub NFTs that will come after the MaVie presale. So ladies and gentlemen, you are very special because you are today on this call and you are among the first that have the opportunity to benefit from that. Right now, I would like to ask Domen to go on the website, show you calculator and show you difference in the earnings just when you purchase in the stage 1 and you purchase in the stage 6. So let's take a look about the model situation of how revenue share from the FlipMe can work.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you see my screen. Official website, flip-me.com. On the top of the screen, there is a button called the calculator. Now, let's say that right now you are on this call, you like what you hear, you have seen all the results of this great and amazing blockchain. You are with the Lotto Day. You want to be a part because there is right now stage number 1 still available. You will come with 12,500 Payment Hub NFT. And if we put everything on bare minimum, so that means just 100,000 crypto and fiat exchanges, just 25,000 monthly subscriptions. Then we are having POS and online transactions, card purchases. We are speaking about 12,500 Payment Hub NFT. It will literally pay out 97 USDT a day. If my mathematics is good, this is around 3,000 a month. You will get your money back in 129 days. So this is what, in 4 months, and you will reach your maximum payout in 2 years. So I put 12,000, I get my money back in 4 months, and I can reach my maximum payout in 898 days. Now we are having inside of MaVie close to 300,000. Let's be specific, 275,000 people. Everyone is looking for simplification. Everyone would like to have a bank account. Everyone would like to have crypto wallet with one click. That means that with the same Payment Hub NFT, you will get 257 USDT a day. This is 7,500 a month. You will get your money back in 49 days, and you will reach your maximum payout in faster than a year. So once again, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, MaVie Global is not getting slower. From Thursday on, first, I'm traveling to India. After this, I'm going to Dubai, Indonesia. Then we are having Japan. We are having Thailand. We are having Mexico, 4th of November. We are having 1,000 people in Santiago, Chile. Straight after, we are traveling to Mexico. We have the preparation for European event in January. Michael, the CEO, is traveling. Guys, this is our main topic for the next 3-4 months. I wouldn't be surprised if we smash this 50 million in a matter of weeks. Let's go like this. So go on official website, check all the data, flip-me.com, play with the calculator how fast you can get your money back. And our dear CEO is showing us, scan this QR code in order to get the latest news and updates. Now,